Some films like Martin Scorsese's Goodfellas and Steven Spielberg's Jaws create shots in which the foreground characters stay the same size in frame, but the background grows bigger and bigger. It's a freaky looking shot for freaked out situations.
Here's how they do it. In order to get the background to grow, they use a zoom lens to shift between a short focal length to a long focal length. The problem is that the foreground also grows. Here comes the freaky part. If we want the foreground to remain relatively stable while the background shifts, we have to move the camera as we zoom to compensate for the zoom's magnification and keep our foreground subject Brendan's size the same. Right now we're zoomed into a telephoto, which has magnified everything. So next we'll zoom out to a wide-angle lens, shrinking our background while we dolly in to keep Brendan's size relatively stable, causing a disconnect between the foreground and the background. Here goes. Cool, huh? Now we'll reverse the process, zooming in to magnify the background while we dolly out to compensate for that magnification and keep Brendan's size the same. Notice how the background grows, but the foreground stays the same. This technique is great for intense moments of realization. Either negative, oh my God, I left a pot of gasoline boiling on the stove, or positive, yes, Citizen Kane really is the greatest film ever made. This is what it looks like on set.
And action.
Glenn, the guy with the beard, controls the motorized zoom lens in coordination with Chip operating the moving camera, while Andrea keeps everything in focus.
Nice. A little jerky. Pretty good. And action. And cut. Good.
The zoom and moving camera, two different techniques with different effects on cinematic space and perspective. But combine them just right, and the effect is pure movie magic.